Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Hitavo. Today in this AutoCAD 2D drawing tutorial, I'll discuss about various problems you face while printing or plotting a 2D plan or any other 2D drawing, that is monochrome settings, some layer settings and scale settings as well. Here I am using Autodesk AutoCAD 2021 version, rather AutoCAD LT 2021 version. I'll show you how you can convert an AutoCAD file, a DWG file, to PDF like this. I'm using Adobe Acrobat DC to open the PDF. You can download Adobe DC, it's free and it's amazing. Link in the I button. So this is the file I'm using for this tutorial. You will get the link in the description section. You just have to like and comment your opinion regarding this tutorial to get the access to the DWG file. This complete drawing tutorial series link is also provided in the description section below. So to plot this 2D drawing in an A1 sheet, give plot command and press enter. Click on continue to plot a single sheet. You can select printer from here or otherwise select DWG to PDF to convert the file into PDF. Select paper size from here. I'll use an A1 sheet in landscape mode as my drawing is wider in length. So I'll select ISO A1 841x594. Select landscape from here as well. Check the center the plot box. I'll select the plot area by window selection. Then I'll select a window like this. This should be set to monochrome to print it in black and white mode. So select monochrome. I want to assign the setting to this layout only. So select no from here. Uncheck this fit to paper box. I want to assign a particular scale to the drawing. I'll set it to 1:100 scale. That means after taking the print, if you measure a dimension with scale and found it 25, so in actual that will be 25 multiplied by 100, that is 2500 mm. And then click on preview, click on continue, and here comes our problem number 1. Monochrome is not working. It's all colorful, which we don't want. So close it for now. I'll cancel this as well. So whenever you face a problem like this, I'll tell you what you have to do to get the monochrome working. So click on new to open a new file or press Ctrl key and N key together. Then click on this arrow and select open with no templates metric to open a new drawing window. Then come to this window, select this complete drawing, press Ctrl plus C to copy. Then come to this drawing window, press Ctrl plus V and click anywhere to paste the drawing in this window. Double tap the scroll button to zoom to extent. Then you will observe the dimension styles have been messed up. There are problems in different line type scales as well. So we will see how we can fix this. So in this window, open the dimension style manager by typing D and pressing enter. Click on modify and in the fit tab, check the overall scale. Here it is 75. Go to symbols and arrows. Tick style is architectural. And here the extension lines have been suppressed. So close this. Get into this drawing window. Type D and press enter. Click on modify. Get into fit tab. And change the overall scale to 75 and press enter. Go to symbols and arrows. I'll change it to oblique. And I'll suppress the extension lines as well. Then hit OK and close, and everything is just perfect. Now remaining is the line type scaling problem. So come back to this drawing window, type LTS and press enter, and the scale here is 30. So get into this window again, type LTS and press enter, set the scale to 30 and press enter again, and you will see everything will be proper as in the previous window. Now type plot again and press enter. Then click on continue to plot a single sheet. Change this to drawing to PDF. Change the page to A1. Select window style and select the window as shown. Uncheck fit to paper. Set scale to 1:100. Center the plot. This should be landscape for this drawing. Now select monochrome from here. Click on no. Then just click on preview and then continue. So here it is. Monochrome setting is working. Everything is in black and white. So far so good. But if you see properly, the dimensions are missing. In my case, the dimensions are missing, but you might see some other objects are missing as well. So we will see how we can eliminate this problem. So I'll close this as well. Now click on layer properties, and here in this plot column, you will see the dimension is blocked. So make sure no layer is blocked in the plot column. I'll just click on it to unblock it. Then give plot command again. Change all the settings as before. And if you see the preview, everything is perfect now. So you can save it wherever you want in your PC, and then you can open it using Adobe Acrobat DC. So this will be it for this video. I hope you guys have liked it. And if you face any other difficulty regarding printing or plotting, you can comment below. I'll try to help you. So everybody, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.